Facts about President Herbert Hoover. 1. Hoover had a peculiar method of relaxation. He enjoyed fishing by hand. Instead of using traditional fishing gear, he would wade into streams barefoot and catch fish with his hands. 2. Hoover was a prolific writer, authoring more than 30 books over his lifetime on a wide range of topics, including mining engineering, politics, and humanitarian efforts. 3. Hoover and his wife were both skilled geologists. They collected specimens during their travels and donated their extensive mineral collection to the Smithsonian Institution, where it formed the basis of the Hoover collection of mining and metallurgy. 4. Hoover was the first president to have his inaugural ceremony broadcast on the radio, allowing millions of Americans to listen to the proceedings from the comfort of their homes.